Hello guys, it's Think So. Today we will talk about self-confidence. First of all, confidence is something that you can build and cultivate, not something that you're either born with or not. There are two ways to build your confidence. The first is the fake it till you make it way. The second is the type that builds true confidence and the one that most people don't want to hear. It is called struggle with difficult, meaningful things and overcome them way. And that's why this video is made. So, in order to build true confidence, first, you should make a promise to yourself. Promise that you will try your best to become confident and write it down. That's it. Plain and simple. You can write this promise in a small paper and put it in front of your desk, or keep it somewhere safe if you don't want anyone else to see it. But you must be accountable. Swear that you will do everything to keep that promise. When things get tough, you can read this paper as a reminder of your vow. Exercise and meditation. You should make exercise part of your daily routine. Exercise makes you feel better and look better. You can actually see the changes in your body. You can see the progress you are making day by day. That builds your confidence and improves the way other people perceive you. So there are many different options. Learning martial arts, for example, is a great way to exercise both your body and your discipline. Also, going to the gym, running, doing outdoor activities, and playing team or solo sports are some examples that can make you start. Meditation is exercise for the brain. By meditating daily, you help your mind get stronger and clean up all the self-inflicted toxic thoughts that poison you day by day. Thoughts are programming your brain to adopt or not specific behaviors. When you meditate, you can focus better, you are more calm, and you don't take things personally. You just take them for what they are. That alone is a key factor for building self-confidence. Find your star and start chasing it. First, you have to find your star. It's your passion. It's what you always wanted to do, but you were afraid to try. It's what other people said you couldn't do, but you knew they were wrong. Now it's action time. Step outside your comfort zone and chase your star. No time for maybes and ifs. Just act. Even if the light of the star is too bright and you can't recognize its shape or form, even if it is low resolution like pixels, you can still see it somewhere out there. In order to do that, you'll have to expand your comfort zone, overcome the obstacles that go hand in hand with the value of your star, and become stronger. It is certain that you will face many challenges along the way, but that's how your confidence will be built. Accomplishing difficult achievements will make you stronger. You will realize that you can evolve throughout this journey. You will prove to yourself that you're valuable because you will have undeniable evidence. You will not be ashamed of yourself. That will also affect your relationships with your family, friends, and colleagues. When you respect yourself, others will also respect you. Now take a step back. Take a step back and reorient yourself towards your star. Maybe the star is not what you thought you wanted in the first place. Maybe you have changed during this process. You have come closer to the light and you can see the star with higher resolution, so maybe you need to take a slightly different path now. In either case, you will have to walk according to your new values and skills and start over. Start another cycle. The next time, it will be more demanding, but the reward will be greater. You will be a little bit wiser. You will know the process and you will have more experience and faith in yourself. Your skills will be sharper. And that's how true confidence is being built. So that's it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel so I can make more videos. Until next time.